Some things are so rare that they defy belief, selling for record breaking amounts. Salvator Mundi. Salvator Mundi is a famous painting attributed to Leonardo da Vinci. The painting shows Jesus with one hand raised in blessing and other holding a crystal orb, symbolizing the world. The image was likely created around the year 1500, although some experts believe it could have been painted later in Leonardo's life. The artwork were lost for centuries and was rediscovered in the early 2000s. It was initially thought to be a copy of original painting, but after expensive restoration and analyzation, experts conclude that it was authentic and real painting. In 2017, this painting gained international fame when it was sold at auction for $450 million, making it the most expensive painting ever sold. The History Supreme Yacht. The History Supreme Yacht is a luxury yacht known for being one of the most expensive yachts in the world. It was created by Malaysian billionaire Robert and is valued around $4.8 billion. This yacht is famous for its design and incorporating rare and expensive materials that contribute to its cost. The History Supreme Yacht is constructed using a variety of precious metals and materials. The hull is coated in solid gold and it also features platinum detailing throughout. The yacht's interior is just as lavish with furniture and fittings made from gold, platinum, and even meteorite rock. The master bedroom has a wall made from meteoric stone and a full gold deck. It also boasts a dining table made of platinum and gold, as well as statue made of 24 karat gold. Even the anchor is said to be covered in gold. One of the most luxurious elements is the yacht's furnishings, including a solid golden aquarium. The yacht features several lavish suites, a movie theater, a dining area, and other spaces designed to provide an ultra exclusive experience. It also comes with a helipad and an array of water sports equipment, including submarines and jet skis. The Pink Star Diamond. The Pink Star is one of the most famous and valuable diamonds in the world, known for its extraordinary size, color, and quality. This rare diamond is a type of pink diamond, meaning it is chemically pure and free of nitrogen impurities, which enhance its brilliance and color. Weighing in at 59.60 carats, the Pink Star is the largest flawless pink diamond ever graded by the Geological Institute of America (GIA). The diamond was originally discovered in 1990 in South Africa by the mining company De Beers. After being cut and polished, it was revealed to the world as a cushion-shaped diamond with a stunning vivid
I
pink
wanna be
hue.
a
Its
weekend
color
lover.
is the result
Yeah,
of natural radiation over millions of years, which has given it the rare and vibrant pink color that makes it so valuable. The Pink Star first gained widespread attention in 2013 when it was auctioned at Hong Kong. It was sold for an astonishing $83 million, making it the most expensive diamond ever sold at the time. The Codex Leicester. The Codex Leicester is a manuscript created by Leonardo da Vinci, one of his most famous scientific works. It is a collection of scientific notes, sketches, and observations on topics such as water, geology, and the movement of the celestial bodies and the properties of light. The manuscript is named after the Leicester family who owned it for centuries before it came into the hands of modern collectors. The codex consists of 18 double page sheets, totally 72 pages. It is written in Leonardo's characteristic mirror writing, which is way of writing backwards from right to left. The manuscript covers a range of topics that demonstrate Leonardo's deep curiosity and ideas in fields of such as hydrolysis, the flow of water, the movement of fish, and the nature of fossils. In 1994, this book was purchased by Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, for $30.8 million at an auction, making it one of the most expensive manuscripts ever sold. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe for more updates.